Welcome to our vlog! Today we are in Morong, Bataan sa Consortia Sand and Sea Resort. So ito yung kanilang place. Malinis naman yung mga CR. Pero nagkaroon lang ng konting aberya kasi walang tubig nung nagstay kami doon. Pero may poso naman kaya may tubig pa rin kami. Pero yung beach okay naman. Maganda yung space para sa tents. Nag-a-accept sila from 7 a.m. para sa mga campers pero sabi nila crowded sa weekend sa umaga kaya late kami dumating doon mga 11. Dumaan muna kami ng Mount Samat sa Bataan sa dambana ng Kagitingan. So ito yung setup namin. Pwedeng mag-car camping. Meron din kaming mga duyan na dala. And napakaganda ng view kasi bukod sa dagat may mga bundok dun sa paligid. And facing west yung view kaya may sunset. And before anything else, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Dito nga pala namin sinelebrate yung first birthday ni Yoel. So instead na mag-hotel or mag-party, ito kami na lang nagluto ng aming mga kakainin. At saka, syempre, mas enjoy pag nature. Tapos, syempre, mas mura. So, yung mga food namin doon, sirloin steak. Ito, barbecue chicken. Nag-pasta rin kami, aglio olio, salmon.
Happy birthday,
Wow, yan mo sana. Health pack. Health pack yan. Health pack. Wala na.
Okay.
Dati pinambabay.
Go, let him. Are you happy?
moving.
Uh,
Rapper. I like the rapper. Right?
Gift. That's yours.
Happy birthday. Spaset.
Please open, Kuya Zeke.
Here.
Smile, baby.
Wow!
Wow, blanket.
Camping blanket.
Oh, ang cute. Hey. What are you eating?
Spaghetti.
Wow. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang paglalaro ng mga kids sa sand. And of course, syempre sa beach din, sa mismong dagat.
Happy birthday, Happy birthday,
Tapos si Ate Tabi, talagang sulit na sulit sa kanya yung beach even in the morning. Pagkagising namin, solo niya yung beach. Wow, what you guys doing here? Wow, baby, you are standing up. Nice, with a nice view. Yeah. Super ganda ng sunset view dito lalo na nung nandun kami kasi clear yung skies, wala masyadong clouds. We also had cheeseburgers, homemade. Tapos syempre, charcuterie board.
Ang cute ng dalawa. Where's Ate Lily? Find her. Where's your L? Where's Ba? Good morning, baby. Happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday. Hello. Come here. Come here.
Good morning! Kuya Zeke is cooking scrambled eggs for breakfast. Good morning, Ate Lily. Ayaw, pansinin. Hi. Hi, baby Yo. Yo, Ellie.
What's that? Oh.
And he's still doing it.
Mm.